Well, I got my two cats here in my bedroom. Say hi. Say hi. Psst, psst, psst. Say hi. No, you want to say hi? Say hi. Big eyes. And there is Precious. Hello, Precious. Say hi to Precious. Hi, Precious. Yeah. Laying back. Laying back. Look up. Hey, come on, look up. There you go. What are you doing looking upside down? Yeah, look what you got. You got an itch right there. What do you got? No fleas, do you? You got something going on. Oh, I bet you got in a fight with Precious. Yeah, that's what happened, I bet you. Bet you that's what happened. I bet you that's what happened. Yeah. Did you get him in the neck? No, you don't have no claws. So how can you get him in the neck? I don't know. You guys want to see the birds? Don't look at the floor. The floor's a little messy right now. They're getting bigger. Where is he? There's one right there. And there's the other one. Yeah, see, they're getting bigger. There's one back in there. There's two back there. Yeah. And there's two right there. Oh. And then where's Sapphire? You want to see Sapphire? Where's Sapphire? Is she flying around here? Sapphire. Oh, there's Sapphire. I will show you through the fence. Let me show them up close inside. Say hi. Say hi. A big, beautiful bird. Sapphire is such a nice, beautiful bird. Aren't you pretty? Aren't you pretty? Yeah. Nice, beautiful bird. Pretty bird. Focus. Pretty bird. Pretty bird. All right. You don't want to say anything? All right. So where are our animals? The other animals? I bet they were here. Laying in the bed. Laying on the couch. Look at that. Lazy Bones. Hi, Lazy Bones. Hi, Smokey. Are you lazy today? Oh, in there is Cole. He's lazy too. We're going to get some rain today. And who's in there? Margot is in there. Yeah. Happy's up there at the stairs, up the top. I'm getting ready to put this TV up one of these days. My sister gave it to me. And I, today, am making lentil soup with split greens, green pea, lentils, and barley. Ooh, there, fog up the camera. Way to go, John. Okay. And I've got carrots in there, onions, and celery, and seasoning. And this is going to be my dinner. There's no meat in here. I'm sorry, I don't eat that much meat. Anyway, that's my dinner for tonight. It's going to be scrumptious. So I hope you're all doing good. And I'm building a dog park out back there. I don't know if I can see. You can see the. There's a 4x4 there. And there's one way over there. And there's one way over there. And there's one way over here. And I'm going to enclose that. And I'm going to make a dog park. I'll put some stuff out there for them to roam around and play. And it will be big enough for them. You can see it now. See? It's got that 4x4 there. See it? Okay. It's got that 4x4 there. Okay. And it's got another 4x4 way over there. Focus. Thank you very much. And another 4x4 here. And this right here. Hello. Wow, that's pretty cool. Look at that. That right there is where the gate's gonna go. Oh, okay. That right there is where the gate's gonna go, this side. And I got some dog fencing I'm gonna put up. Anyway, hope you have a great day. We might have a tornado tomorrow, they're saying. Possibly. Possibly. So we'll see. I hope you're all doing well out there, and I hope you have a good weekend, and I hope that you don't forget to change your clock. Okay? Spring forward. All right. Goodbye.